हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बढ़ते हैं नए टॉपिक की तरफ और वो है स्केलर्स एंड वेक्टर्स। सो स्केलर्स और वेक्टर्स, टू इजी टॉपिक्स और टू इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स। ओके, तो अब आपके पास सपोज कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अ मैन इज वॉक्ड फॉर एन आवर विथ फिक्स स्पीड। ओके, so if you get that information, then you can calculate what a distance he covered, right? Absolutely. So what information you have? You have information a man walked for an hour with fixed speed. Okay, so if this information you have, then what you can calculate or what you can get, how much distance he walked. Okay, right? Absolutely. So this information is complete to calculate distance, right? But now a question is arises. If someone asks you where he reached, but where he reached, then this much information is incomplete to give the answer of this question, right? So now if someone provided that a man walked for an hour with fixed speed to the south, then if this much information is given to you, in addition to this information, you can give answer to this question where he reached, right? So what this to the south provided, this provide certain direction, right? These are two scenarios. To find out or to calculate distance, having the information walked for an hour with fixed speed is complete. And what is it? What is given here? Here given the magnitude. Certain fixed speed, magnitude of speed, certain fixed time, magnitude of time. And then you can calculate the distance. So such type of physical quantity, distance is nothing but what? Length. Length is nothing but what? Physical quantity. Such physical quantities which can be completely described by their magnitude alone, such kind of physical quantities are called as scalars. This information is enough for scalars. Okay, so what is scalar? Scalars are those physical quantities which can be completely described by their magnitude alone. Okay, so now the addition or subtraction of such kind of physical quantities can be done by using simple algebra rules, right? Okay, now when along with magnitude, when direction is also needed to give complete information of the particular physical quantity, then such kind of physical quantity are called as vectors. Okay, so the quantities which can be completely described by the magnitude and direction, then such kind of physical quantities are called as vectors. Got it? So if we want any example of vector quantities, then we can say displacement. Displacement can be calculated by knowing इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन। इसी तरह से वेलोसिटी है, फोर्स है, फोर्स के लिए भी फोर्स हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई करते हैं और फोर्स वी नीड टू नो द डायरेक्शन, दैट इज इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड, राइट? देन वी गेट द कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट फोर्स. So along with magnitude the direction is needed for force also, hence force is also a vector quantity. ओके, तो अब ये जो वेक्टर्स है वो रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं? स्केलर तुम्हें पता है, लेंथ को अगर हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो हम एल से रिप्रेजेंट कर लेते हैं. ओके, वॉल्यूम को रिप्रेजेंट करना है वी से रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं. लेकिन अगर ये वेक्टर्स है और ये वेक्टर्स जो है इसके लिए मैग्नीट्यूड अलोंग दिस डायरेक्शन पता होना जरूरी है, तो इन्हें रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करेंगे, है ना? तो ये रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करेंगे? सिंपल, हम डायरेक्शन ऐड कर देंगे सिंपली बाय एडिंग अ डायरेक्शन. तो देखते हैं ये कैसे करते हैं. सो वेक्टर्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एनी डायरेक्टेड लाइन सेगमेंट और बाय एन एरो. सो इफ PQ is a vector, any PQ is a vector. So how we can represent this vector PQ? So we can represent by using a line segment from one point to another point. This is P and this is Q. Starting point and end point, है ना? So starting point को हम बोलते हैं टेल एंड एंड पॉइंट को जिस तरफ वो जा रहा है, डायरेक्टेड इन विच डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो दैट एंड पॉइंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एरो एंड दैट एरो इज कॉल्ड एज एरो हेड. Okay, so this means this vector PQ is starting from point P and reaches to the point Q in the direction P to Q. Okay, so symbolically ये कैसे लिखा जाएगा? इसके लिए सिंबल क्या होगा? तो सिंबल के लिए सिंपल दिस PQ लिखेंगे एंड there is an arrow on the head of that PQ. Okay, so this is the symbol for vector PQ and we read it as vector PQ. These vectors can also be represented by single letters, like suppose vector X, then that vector X is vertically written as X or arrow. Okay, we know that vectors have magnitude as well as direction, right? If we have to write the magnitude alone, then how it can be represented? Okay, so how symbolically write magnitude of X, magnitude of vector X? अगर हमें लिखना है तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? This can be written as mod X. टू पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में हम लिखेंगे दैट वेक्टर. ओके, सो अगर हमें स्केलर क्वांटिटी की कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखनी है. नाउ इफ वी थिंक ऑफ लेंथ, ओके, ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ अ रॉड सपोज is equal to 10 meter. Then if suppose this is any rod and we have to measure the length of this rod, then we don't need to know the directions. We can measure from this point to this point, or whether we measure it from this point to this point. It's all okay about, right? So this gives this 10 meter gives complete information about the length of the rod. So length is scalar quantity, right? Again, if we say mass of block 20 kg, now this 20 kg gives complete information about the mass of the block. For measuring mass of any object, there is no need of direction, right? So this is also scalar quantity. So density. So density is equal to what? Is nothing but mass per unit volume. Absolutely. Now, if this density is given 23 kg per meter cube, then this much information is complete. Right? To understand density, that is mass per unit volume, there is no need of direction. Okay. So this is also a scalar quantity. If we talk about the temperature, right? So pressure is 26 degrees Celsius. Then this much information is complete about temperature. Then there is no need of direction. So this all type of physical quantities are comes under scalar physical quantities, where there is no need of direction. Only magnitude is enough. Okay. So students, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button, and don't forget ever to share it. Thank you.